In this video, we are going to see the leave tracker in Zoho People. First, let us log into an user account. See, this is the user Anto Abraham. Now let us click the leave tracker. Here in list view, we could see all the different types of leaves eligible for this user. Below this, we can find the list of leave applied by him. The status of this leave is showing as cancelled since the leave application was rejected by the admin. Below this, we can see the list of holidays for this user. If he wants to apply for a leave, then click Apply Leave button on the top right corner. Then here the leave type, you have to choose a leave type. Let us choose a casual leave, and the date, mention the date here. The date I am choosing the date as 20th July. Once we choose the date, on the right hand side it will show the available balance. Then click the submit button. Close this. Now see here, this is the leave which we applied just now. Here we have a history option. This will show the previous records. And on the left hand side, these are the different types of views. Calendar view and leave application will show the list of leave applied by this user. Next is the holiday. Here is the list of holidays eligible for this user. User report, he can check the current balance of leave. Now let me log into admin. This is the administrator. Go to leave tracker. In list view, admin can choose the user to see the information of any particular user. Now suppose if I want to see the information of this user Melvin Joseph, just select the user to see the current leave available and all the leave application status and holidays here. Now let me choose the other user Anto Abraham. See, his casual leave balance is 5. At the bottom we can see the casual leave he applied just now. To open the leave, we can click here. In case if the administrator want to cancel the leave, he can click the cancel leave button here. Next we will see the holidays. This will show the list of holidays here. The admin user will have the permission to edit or add the holidays here. To add a holiday, click the add button. Next, mention the name of the holiday. I am mentioning as a general holiday. The date, here I am choosing the date 20. Here we have to mention the location applicable for this particular holiday. Click this button and choose the location here. Next, click the submit button. See here, these are the holidays. If you want to make any changes in these holidays, you can click the edit button on the right hand side. Suppose I want to change the date as 21 here. I am changing the date as 21 and click the submit button. To see the leave types, go to settings and click the leave types. Here these are the leave types available in Zoho People by default. You can either disable or enable by pressing this button. This leave type can be edited by using the edit button here. If you want to make any changes here, you can make the changes and click the submit button. In case if you want to add a new leave type, click the add button and you can add a new leave type here and press the submit button to save it.